Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. First off, I just want to apologize to you guys because it's not going to be like a fun-filled video today. It's going to be kind of a little update video. So if you guys want to, stay tuned, and you guys are going to check out what happened with the Nitrous, future plans, getting ready for Mustang Week, stuff like that, man. So stay tuned if you guys are interested in that. If not, if you guys want to see action, come back next Tuesday, man. Hopefully the Nitrous will be done then. So yeah, you guys, first off, I'm gonna send a shout out to Dr. Nas. He's the one that helped me out with the install actually, and he said, I hope you drop a vid today for my birthday. He said it's his birthday, so happy birthday to you, dog. Honestly, I wasn't gonna shoot a video today, but I figured I owe you guys that much, the support you guys have been giving me. This last video got 5K, the video before that got 7,500, and we're about to hit 3.4K subscribers. So, 3.9K, I'm sorry, we're about to hit 4,000, so I figured I owe you guys that much. So real quick, guys, what happened with the NOS? Well, we ended up getting the window switch wired up. I'll show you guys that soon, but actually my tuner, the guy that you saw tune the car before on the dyno, he was actually out of town. He was out of town for a long time. He was doing some, private stuff, and I was like, okay, let me just get the car tuned by this other guy. I heard he was pretty good as well. Let's just get tuned by him. It was gonna suck because he doesn't have a dyno. He was just gonna remote tune it, and we planned it all up. I wasn't just blowing smoke up you guys. I wasn't blowing smoke, telling you guys what happened. So we went over there. I got it on film and everything, but turns out he has HP tuners. If you guys know anything about tuning, HP tuners does not tune the 96 cars. It's crazy that they tune the 98 and they don't tune the 96. 98 to 04, they changed the computers, so he could tune the car if it was a 98. All right, guys, I'm actually gonna get in the car because I'm gonna be really mad if that freaking mic isn't working. So, all right, that should do. The only kind of setup I could do in the car with it being stable. Where did I leave off? I was saying I actually did get the window switch wired up. I'll show you guys right now in a little bit. But basically what happened with the tuner was 98 through 04 cars, he could tune those. HP tuners lets him, you have to have a license to license the cars so you could get into the ECU and tune them and stuff like that. He wasn't able to, so he was tuning with HP tuners. I was gonna have to buy another tuner, or he was just gonna put a one-time tune in the car, which I didn't like because I was gonna be stuck on a Nitrous tune, and the SCT software is like 2,500 for him to tune, and we just couldn't get something done. So I hit my guy up with the dyno, and he says he's gonna be done. He's gonna be free next week. Today is, I'm recording on the day it's gonna drop, man. Sorry if this video is going up late. I'm recording on Tuesday. He's supposed to do it sometimes next week. That's when we're gonna get the tuning done, bro. So yeah, man, that's what happened with that. Dyno tune next week. Kind of something about prepping for Mustang Week, man. I told you guys before, I'm trying to get that door fixed. That door is so annoying. You guys probably saw in this first little section of the video. The door is dented. There's a couple little dings around the car. He said he's gonna fix that. He's gonna repaint the door. He's gonna repaint the bumper. The bumper has rock chips and stuff. We're gonna do a freaking bad A, man. It's gonna look freaking sick. We're gonna reshoot everything, man. It's gonna look great, and we have Cobra mirrors for the car, so that's gonna be freaking awesome. We're gonna have that done next week as well. I went to talk to my guy today about the trailer. Let me borrow his trailer. My brother's truck should be ready. I'll show you guys that. When it gets closer to Mustang Week, we're gonna get the trailer and stuff like that, get the car ready. But yeah, man, Mustang Week is going down. 4.6 Chris and his car is gonna be there. I'm just hoping everything goes well with the spray on the dyno. That's all I'm hoping for, man. I hope everything goes good with the spray on the dyno. Pretty nervous, I'm not gonna lie. You guys will see on the next video. I'm really freaking nervous. I've never sprayed NOS before, so I'm kind of scared, but I think everything will be all right with the 100 shot. He wants to tune me for a 150 shot, but I'm like, I don't know about that, man. So we're gonna do a 100 shot, and then if I get comfortable enough, we'll do a 125. But I think that'll be enough for this car, man. It's pretty light, so 400 wheel. It should move out of its own way, man. It should be a pretty good boost in power. So without further ado, man, I'll show you guys the Nitrous window switch. Your boy wired it up, so applaud for your boy, man. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. And big shout out Horseplay Motoring, Nitrous Express, the support team there, badass. They told me which wire it was on the TPS Horseplay. You were right. Only thing I'm having issues with is the RPM. It's kind of doing something weird at idle, so I'll show you guys right now. All right, guys. So I have the window switch mounted up in here, and the glove box. You guys can see all the freaking beautiful wires. This is the little plate switch. It looks freaking good. All right, and then all we do is press arm. The key has to be on. So the arm switch is on now. Sorry for the annoying beeping. Okay, so it's R for RPM, and then T is for the throttle position percentage, man. So I'll go ahead and cut the car on right now. You guys can check it out. Okay, Okay, so it's reading correct right now. The RPMs are about at 1200, 1300. You guys can see on there. 1100, 1080. So you guys can, oh, I can pick it up right here. It's pretty almost on spot, man. It's not doing the thing that it was doing earlier. Alright, there we go. The idle lowered down for the cams. Let's see if it starts doing it. Before, man, when I was doing this, it was reading like freaking 10,000 RPMs, which I don't know. There it is. There it is. As soon as I start talking about it, it'll switch back right now to 840C. That's the real true RPM. And sometimes it switches back. See? So I'm not sure why that does that, but when I give it some throttle, it starts to read true RPM. Idle, it's doing that again. So I'm not sure why that is. I tapped into the coil pack wire. I'll show you guys right now. I tapped into the coil pack wire. Maybe it's having some issue with the spark at idle. I'm not sure. Let me show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Ugly ass door. Freaking dent. But yeah, man. I'll show you guys the hood real quick. Alright guys, so this is the freaking TPS wire. You can see the wire going back to the window switch. I tapped into this little thing right here, and we tapped into the middle wire. So that's the TPS. Everything's working good there. This is where I tapped in right here. You guys can see I tapped into the outside wire over here. That's where Dr. Nas told me to go. I have the wire right here, really subtle. I taped it back up, the wire loom, and the wire runs back all the way back over there. So that's how everything is there. Just in case you guys want to see the solenoids again, these are the solenoids, the plates in there. I actually painted these bolts, so they're not all rusty anymore. I took care of that. The purge is over there. But other than that, man, I'm really glad I invested in this light. It looks freaking good. It doesn't even matter that it's nighttime now. It looks daytime now. But yeah, guys, so that's what happened with the nitrous. I think it'll be fine if I left it like that, because I tried it out when I'm driving and everything, and it never goes to 10,000 while I'm driving, which would be really bad if I was under full throttle. Started reading that and it started spraying. But yeah, guys, I think we'll be fine there if I just left it there and then we just put on the dyno right there and sprayed it. But I might switch it over to the injector wire. Nitrous Express actually told me to switch it over to the negative wire on the injector, so it would be the white wire on the first injector, and it will read a correct RPM signal. The thing about that is I freaking hate wiring, like I told you guys last time, and it was already a pain in my ass to do this, so I really don't want to rewire it. All I gotta do is cut the wire, tap it into the injector signal, and then we'll be straight. I hope it works though. If any of you guys are running nitrous, please let me know that if it will work or not, if it won't be giving me that you know, erratic idle signal. Please let me know if you guys. That's about to be it for this portion of the video. I'm gonna give you guys a little Q&A because I told you guys to ask me questions a long time ago on Instagram and I never answered them. I'm very sorry about that, but here we go, man. And if you guys have questions after this, please leave them in the comments down below. Next time I do a Q&A, I will answer them on the next video, man. So I'm gonna go to the comments down below. I'll probably do on Instagram too, so if you guys want to follow me, Instagram, shameless plug right here, man. Go follow me. Let your boy to 4,000 followers. Hell yeah, man. I'm gonna answer some questions real quick. As you guys can see, carbon fiber 4.6 Chris. If you guys grab these, y'all are the real one. No stickers left, man. These are the one of one. They're never coming back. What are your plans for the next build for the YouTube channel? I'm not sure if he's talking about this build. If you're talking about this build, it's Nitrous, man. I know this was a while back, but it's Nitrous. It's SVT_Trevino. It's Nitrous, but after that, I'm not really sure, man. Probably do the exterior up really good. Probably side splitters. I want to do an H-pipe. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that before Mustang Week. You guys will stay tuned for that one. Next build, I definitely want a 5.0 S197. I just saw this nasty boss on Facebook. I'll show you guys a picture right now. It's literally my preference. It's crystal. I mean, it's not crystal white. It's Oxford white. It has the black boss striping. Amazing. It's a 2013. It only has 5,000 miles. The guy's asking like 30K for it. It's freaking brand new, man. That's literally my spec, everything that I want. Next question. What's next for the Stang? All right, you guys heard that one. That was from Pontiac Grip. Have you ever thought about coyote swapping your car? Yes. My buddy was actually selling a transmission and an engine for like $4,500, but it's not just that, man. You have to buy the control pack, all these kind of other, you know, it's a lot of stuff, man. Like, if you're gonna do a coyote swap, do it right, you know. With all said and done, it's gonna be like 10 grand. So I have thought about coyote swap. That's what this car will have. I'm gonna have this car for the longest time, man. I'm never selling this car. I promise you, I'm never getting rid of it. It'll be a great gift to my kid one day, or you know, it'd be great like as a classic to hold on to. So I'm never getting rid of it, man. Don't be like these other YouTubers and sell your car for a new one. Okay, I swear to God, I'm not reading these next ones. That's crazy, but like I just said, man, I'm never getting rid of it. Underscore Ruli, shout out Ruli, man. He's freaking awesome. Always has a support up. Will you wrap the car once you hit 5K? Possibly Nas Blue, since that's all you drink. Maybe, man. He sees my Instagram all the time. I'm always drinking those Nas energy drinks. Are so good. They actually do give me energy, so that's why I drink them. I don't know about Nas Blue, man, but we might have a wrap soon for 5K. 5K, I'm also gonna do a giveaway. I don't know yet. I kind of want to do a gift card, but that's kind of basic, so I don't want to do that. But if you guys have any ideas for giveaways, please drop them down below. I'll take that into consideration also, man. So this is around 4.6 A Argus, I believe. AGRAZ. Building my 2-valve. My next step is gears, manifold, and camshaft. What's next? Honestly, if you're trying to go the NA route, just full bolt-ons, man, it's not really worth it. I would say boost or nitrous. So that's what goes next, man. What did it make on the dyno? Early access. Oh my God, these were before the dyno? I'm so sorry, guys. You guys know the car made 280/305. I'm very sorry, I'm barely getting to this. What's next for the Mustang? I already answered that. Casper 5.0. Why do you hate your boy Casper 5.0 so much? I don't, bro. You're the shit. That B15 Spec V. Why nitrous and not an on3 kit? The on3 kit, man, I have to buy a K-member, and the K-member is like almost $1,000. The on3 kit's about $2,000. Fuel system, injectors, it'll be like another $1,000. You know, nitrous is just very cheap. I got the whole kit for very, very cheap. I got the kit for like $400 and all the accessories and stuff like that. My girlfriend actually gifted to him. Well, my ex-girlfriend, she gifted them to me, and you know, I got this whole thing running on nitrous for about $400. So that's why I'm really thinking about an on3 kit in the future. So you guys can look forward to that. 95 Mustang 5.0. Favorite and least favorite classes from school. I love how the build is coming along. Favorite class, believe it or not, man, I wasn't really like a school geek at school, but like, I guess it's something about like a satisfaction about, you know, like solving an equation or something like that. I really didn't hate school, man. As weird as it may sound, it brought all my friends together, you know, and it was a great experience for me. I actually liked high school, but my favorite class, believe it or not, was like actually chemistry. You know, I would do a lot of stuff in there, like with science and solving equations and stuff like that. And it's like long ass equations, and then after you would actually finish them and you get them right, you know, it gives you like, I don't know, give me a warm feeling. It was pretty cool. Least favorite, definitely history or Texas history, man. That was the worst for me. I cannot stay awake during that, man. I freaking hate history, which, you know, it's our history. You shouldn't hate it, but it's just boring to me, man. As sad as that might sound. I just couldn't get into it, man. It's not my thing. And thank you for the question, man. I like something that's like not car related, you know what I mean? I like both, but for something like that, personal, I like that, man. So 95 Mustang 5.0, thank you, bro. Mark 831, any future plans for the 2-valve? You guys heard my future plans. Future, like long ahead is coyote swap. That's just not obtainable right now, man. But if the channel did blow up for some reason, that'd be it. Year underscore week, Hellion twins on this thing. I don't know about that, man. I don't got money like that, I just said. But yeah, man, that'd be sick. Obnoxious 5.0, Terminator or coyote swap one day. Coyote swap, you heard me. Everyone wants me to coyote swap. Everyone wants a coyote swap. That's the dream, man. But like I said, it's expensive. Are you planning to get another Mustang later? Yes, like I said, it's crazy. Everyone kind of asks the same question, but it's all good. 5.0 Mustang for sure. Octavius 99. Bring this thing to Mustang Week 19. Yes, sir. That's the plan. I actually went and checked on the trailer today. Everything looks good, man. It has new tires. The car makes it on the dyno. It is coming to Mustang Week, man. It's gonna be freaking awesome. I already got my house, man, so I'm going either way. If I can't take the car for some reason, something catastrophic happens, hopefully not, knock on roof, I'm a fly, man, if something happens, but I'm gonna be there for sure. I already freaking put a deposit on the house and it's not refundable, so I'll be there. Did you spray your car? I'm assuming you're talking about nitrous. If you're talking about spraying as in painting it, yes, I got it painted. I didn't personally paint it, but yes, I did paint it. Yes sir. Gregory _856. What kind of lowering springs are you running, and are you running, and how does it ride? I'm not sure what springs they are, man. Everyone asks me that all the time, but I'm not sure what springs they are because the car came like that, man. It came like that with the FR 500s. As you guys can see, wheel gap is too big, man. I do not like this at all. Coilovers very soon. I'm hoping for coilovers before I take the Mustang week, because this ride height is a joke. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Sorry, man, that I don't have a freaking awesome video for you guys today, but it's a good little update information video. It's a part of life, man. It wasn't able to happen, so I wanted to bring you guys something. So if you guys enjoyed it, please drop the thumbs up for your boy. Really helps out the videos, man. So please drop a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell icon on the side, man, so you guys know when I upload. Means a lot to me, guys. So thank you guys so much for all y'all support. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. We're out, fam. Peace.